planner for this week from 7 to 13 2020. Monday. Write properly. Yeah? Please write. Monday. First, whatever taught in class, you have to go ahead. Whatever taught in class, practice 2 times today only. Practice 2 times. Second, measurement MCQs from PDF which I have given. How many you can practice? 1 to 50 you can practice from PDF because already you have done once. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
How many you can do measurement wala? As per your capabilities. 15, 20, 25 you can do? 1 to 25?
Sir, 30.
30? 30?
हाँ सर.
हाँ होना तो चाहिए क्योंकि एक बार किया है 1 to 30 MCQ measurement MCQ from our PDF 1 to 30. If PDF is not available, again I will reset. 1 to 30. Tuesday. Last class kinematics I have done how much for you? 1 to?
Sir, 105.
Till 105. Okay. So today I will discuss 106 to at least 120. So this whatever doubt was there practice. And again measurement MCQs I think 31 to easily you can manage 50 because already here also few questions are there 50 zyada load nahi diya hai, but this much will practice. Wednesday whatever taught in class. अभी इसका जरूरत नहीं because whatever we explain in class theory plus this I will do in class. Second MCQ of measurement 51 to 30 देता हूँ 80 आराम से हो जाएगा. Thursday काइनेमेटिक्स वाला ये भी काइनेमेटिक्स है means whatever doubt you'll ask that from 121 to I will try to complete 140. So today my target is till 120. Here it will be 140. Second again measurement MCQs from 81 to चलो खाली 100 करो MCQs from the sheet only. Just copy this much or you can take photo, it's your choice. I want that you are sticking to this. हो गया तो बोलना. Done? Okay. Friday first part, whatever taught in class. Second, MCQs of measurement till 101 to 125. Saturday, prepare for Sunday's test. Sunday test, what we will have? Measurements and kinematics. अब ये kinematics में देखो scalars vector भी है थोड़ा थोड़ा सा. So measurement and kinematics from sheet. Measurement will be some number 1 to 125 में से any 25. Kinematics from 101 कितना तक हो गया? 140 हो गया ना? इधर मैं 141 से 150 तक करा देता हूँ. So from 101 to 150 any 25. This is your test. Please write down properly. Hello, can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Now, last class you said I explained you till 100, na?
105.
105 you are saying. Good. Now 106, 107, 108. Any doubt? No doubt. Till 108 no doubt, ना? थोड़ा फास्ट करो क्योंकि नया टॉपिक पे स्टार्ट करना है मुझे.
So 107.
Okay. A toy cyclist completes one round on a circular track of side 2 meters in 40 seconds. Okay. 107. A toy cyclist completes one round. On a square track of side 2 meters. Side 2 meters square track. In time 40 seconds. What will be displacement at the end of 3 minutes? Displacement at end of 3 minutes. Aman, can you tell me what is displacement? Aman, what is displacement?
So wait.
Huh? What is meaning of displacement? Aman?
So displacement diagonal.
Displacement is diagonal. No, that statement is absolutely wrong. Never tell this. Chalo Vaishnavi, what is meaning of displacement? If you can give some highlight.
Shortest distance.
Perfect. Shortest distance from where to where? Starting to ending. Current?
Yes, sir.
See, suppose a toy cart starts from A. It comes back to A.
That's 0.
That means it completes one cycle.
Yes, sir. So displacement will be 0.
So one round 40 minutes में होगा. तो जिधर भी से स्टार्ट किया उधर ही एंड किया तो 0 हो जाएगा ना, ये स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
बट दे आर आस्किंग इन हाउ मेनी मिनट, 3 मिनट। सो 3 मिनट इज हाउ मेनी सेकेंड,
180.
180 सेकेंड, बराबर 180 सेकेंड। That means the toy cart if starts from A completes one round at A, time is 40 सेकेंड। तो 2 राउंड कितना सेकेंड में कवर करेगा? 2 राउंड in how many सेकेंड?
80 seconds.
80 सेकेंड, करेक्ट। आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन 180 में कितना। आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो, 40 सेकेंड मीन्स 1 राउंड, so 180 second is how many round? It is 180 upon 40, 4 4s are 16, 4 into 4 is 16, मतलब ये completely divisible 4 से होएगा, plus 20 second बचेगा ना। Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I divide 18 by 4, it is 4.5, correct ना?
Yes, sir.
So can I say 4 round plus half round हो गया ना उसका, plus half round, इतना समझा मीनिंग आपको?
Yes, sir.
तो 4 राउंड पे तो इधर आ गया और हाफ राउंड इधर आएगा, तो जो अवान बोल रहा था डायगोनल वही आंसर है। सो दिस इज आवर डिस्प्लेसमेंट। सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट इक्वल्स टू डायगोनल व्हिच इज √2 इनटू साइड, दैट इज √2 इनटू 2। चेक ऑप्शन है अपने पास ये?
हाँ सर।
डी, हाँ, यस सर, 107। मतलब 80 सेकेंड में हाउ मेनी कंप्लीट राउंड? 4। बैलेंस टाइम में आधा राउंड मतलब इट गोस A to B, B to C suppose. So displacement is finally at C from A, which is diagonal. Very good sum. Then after this, थोड़ा फास्ट क्योंकि मुझे नया टॉपिक भी करना है थोड़ा आगे।
Sir, 109.
109 एवरेज वाला, ठीक है, अच्छा सम है 109। A body traveling along straight line transverse 1/3 of total distance with velocity v1. Total distance v3d, ऐसा एग्जांपल है, आप d भी ले सकते हैं, मैंने 3d लिया, तो 1/3 कितना होएगा? d होएगा ना।
हाँ सर।
सो d वाला डिस्टेंस v1 स्पीड से कवर किया, रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ डिस्टेंस वाज कवर्ड विथ वेलोसिटी v2 for half time and v3 for another half time. Then what is average velocity? फिर से रेट करता हूं। A body is traveling along straight line covers 1/3 of distance with velocity v1. The remaining part of distance was covered with velocity v2 for half time and v3 for other half time. Then mean velocity of average distance will be how much? जब भी पहला ये वाला है ना, ये वाला पार्ट पहला कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो। ये कितना डिस्टेंस है टोटल? 2d बराबर। टाइम कितना लिया इधर तक के लिए? t ना, उसमें से हाफ टाइम v2 डिस्टेंस से ट्रेवल, स्पीड से ट्रेवल किया, दूसरा हाफ टाइम v3 से, बराबर ना?
यस सर।
So can you tell me what is distance vd? It is v2 into half t plus V3
V3 into half
into half. Everybody has understood this much? ये वाला part. पहला distance d, अगला distance 2d, covered with speed v2 for half time, v3 for another half time. Distance is speed into times, plus speed into time किया. कुछ doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is v2 upon 2t plus v3 upon 2t. So therefore you can write 2d equals to t by 2 common v2 plus v3. Therefore I can say 4d 2 into the 4d upon v2 plus v3 is t. एक इक्वेशन मिला. चलो अभी बोलो what is average speed का फॉर्मूला?
total displacement upon total time.
टोटल एक ही लाइन में तो एवरेज स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी आर सेम. एवरेज डिस्प्लेसमेंट total displacement upon total time. Please copy till this, then I'm clearing the space for doing further.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now total distance is 3d and total time is first wala time plus second wala time. This is 3d. What is first wala time? First wala time कैसा आएगा? Speed is distance upon time. First distance is d, speed was v1 plus t कितना मिला? 4d
So 4D.
upon v2 plus v3 ना? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is just simplifying further. Proper algebra use करो आ गया आंसर arithmetic. Yes, Mohit dear, what you want beta?
No, sir, it is happening auto.
अच्छा अच्छा चलेगा. कुछ
If
ऐसा
I'm
बोर
moving.
ऐसा कुछ बोर भी होएगा तो बोल देना. हो सकता है ऐसा चांस है ना. दिमाग
हाँ.
पक जाता है तो आदमी कुछ भी करता है. So 1 upon v1 plus 4 upon v2 plus v3. Can I cancel this dt? Yes. So 3 upon v2 plus v3 plus 4 times v1. ये पूरा डिनोमिनेटर ऊपर ले लो क्या? समझ गया आपको? क्या एक बार और स्टेप करो चलेगा? ऊपर लिया डायरेक्ट चलेगा क्या? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So this is v1 plus v2 plus v1 into v2 into v3. This LCM I took off. Check. We have this option. 3 times v1 3 times v2 plus v3 into v1 है ना ऑप्शन? 3 times v1 into v2 plus v3 है क्या? देख लो ऑप्शन. दिख रहा है मुझे. 4 times v1 ऑप्शन बी है ना ये?
Sir. Yes, sir. There.
हाँ. ओके. हाँ. हाँ. ओके. तो आज अपन राउंड अप. हाँ. ओके. कर देते हैं. आप कर दो अपने हिसाब से, कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा. हाँ. तो 6 नहीं 12 का वहाँ 76 बता. तो कौन सा करेंगे पीयूष? हाँ. नहीं स्टेट बैंक निकालो. स्टेट बैंक और एडलवाइस दोनों निकाल दो। हाँ हाँ नहीं एसबीआई निकालो ना, एसबीआई निकलेगा तो कितना आएगा? अच्छा तो एसबीआई निकालो चलेगा, प्रॉफिट में है एसबीआई। अपन बेल अच्छा 156 क्या 186 होगा ब्रो, इतना कम कभी हुआ था यार। हाँ अच्छा 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 तो चलेगा, एसबीआई निकालो और बेल निकाल दो, चलेगा एसबीआई और बेल निकाल दो। तो उसका साथ में और कौन सा है सामने? नहीं वो अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट है ना, उससे अच्छा वो बेल, वो प्रॉफिट में वो निकाल दो चलेगा। हाँ 30 15 गया तो 23 23 हाँ 23 और RIL 10 निकाल देंगे 10 12 चलेगा ठीक है। तो दो उसको 2080 में रखते हैं ना, फिर देखते हैं एंड में। बराबर हाँ हाँ वो उसमें उसमें मुझे लगता है पूरा RIL रखना पड़ेगा 208 में। अच्छा अच्छा तो वो निकल गया एक बार तो फिर 230 को देख लेंगे अपन ना, क्या आगे पीछे करना है। ठीक 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 हाँ हाँ कर दो चलो। अच्छा तो उसमें आइडिया का अपने को आ रहेगा पैसा, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है। हेलो सॉरी हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes yes sorry after this 109 which sum you
112,
want?
sir.
112
Yes.
112 okay this is also good sum 112 that a train starts from rest. Hello Karan Goyal.
Yes, sir.
Just remember this three formula kinematics wala. S v equals to u plus at ut plus half at square and s equals to ut v square equals to u square plus 2s. हाँ 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 एक सेकंड अभी देखते हैं क्या लिखा है. A train starts from rest means what is initial velocity?
0.
Very good, 0. And for first kilometer moves with constant acceleration. First kilometer constant acceleration is increasing velocity. A is constant. फिर क्या बोला है? For next 3 kilometer it has v constant. Next 3 kilometer v constant. And for another 2 kilometer retardation is constant. So A is negative. And comes to rest after total time of 10 minutes. So final velocity again 0 but total time taken is 10 minutes में rest पे आ गया. Find the maximum velocity of the train. Find the maximum velocity of the train. Here it will have maximum velocity u becomes V in 1 kilometer, then V remains constant for 3 kilometer. Now this becomes 0 for another 2 kilometer. I don't know what is time taken here. I don't know what is time taken here. I don't know what is time taken here. But total time is 10 minutes. That much I know. This much clear? Total
Yes,
time is 10 minutes. Okay. Now can you tell me? I'm keeping all in kilometer only because final options are in kilometer per hour. So time 10 minute. Total time 10 minute. You can write
1 by
10.
6 hours.
1 by 6. 10 by 6. 1 by 6 hours. 1 by 6 hours we can write it. Now, from year to year, distance is given. Hello?
1 kilometer.
Yes, sir.
Distance is given. So what is formula for V, U and distance? V square equal to U square plus 2S है ना?
हाँ सर.
और दूसरा टाइम टोटल है तो पहले टाइम पे फोकस करते हैं. तो टोटल टाइम से एक रिलेशन मिलेगा. A distance covered is 1. So I can take average speed because I don't know what is acceleration. So average velocity in that interval is equals to total displacement upon total time. एक बार पहले एक सम और किया था ऐसा. So this is nothing but 0 plus V upon 2. Total distance is 1 kilometer. Time is t1. Because we were not knowing acceleration and time, so I didn't got involved with v square wala. So time t1 equals to time t1 equals to total distance 1 kilometer upon t1, this much. So therefore we get answer v into t1 equals to 2. V into t1 equals to 2. So 2 equals to v times right first equation. Similarly, we'll find for third one. Similarly, we'll find for last one, and we'll add total time. It will give me answer 9. 1 by 6 hours. इतना करो पहला.
सर.
हाँ.
सर वो इक्वेशन 1 को टाइम में रखेगा तो अच्छा रहेगा.
हाँ वो लास्ट में वैसे ही हो जाएगा ना. 2 upon v ही करता हूँ.
हाँ ओके सर.
अभी हर एक में वो v कॉमन आने वाला है इसलिए वैसा कर दिया. चलो हो गया. रब करो.
No, sir, just done, sir.
For second part, velocity is constant. So second part speed for second part. Speed is constant. Distance is 3 kilometer. Time is t2. So we can say 3 equals to vt2. And for third part, average speed is v plus 0 upon 2. Distance covered is 2 kilometer. Time is t3. So therefore 4 equals to v times t3 equation. Now adding all 1, 2, 3 we get. First one we had got 2 I think. Second we got 3. Third we got 4. V is common. T1 plus T2 plus T3. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 and 4, 9 equals to V. What is total time? 1 upon 60? 1 upon 6, sorry, 1 upon 6. So V becomes 54 kilometer per hour. V is 50 kilometer per hour. Right. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
now 113, 114, 115. थोड़ा फास्ट चेक करो ना.
Sir, 117.
117, okay. 117.
Sir, 116 also.
See, you have, with solution also you are not able to understand, then ask her. Otherwise it will be unnecessary wasting my time. One one seven. Who said 116? Somebody said, na? Hello?
Yes.
I think Pranjali, you said 116, ना?
Yes.
देखो ऐसा सब क्वेश्चन आप जैसा स्टूडेंट ने नहीं पूछना चाहिए. सॉल्यूशन आपके पास है क्या नहीं है? व्हाट इज रेशियो ऑफ एंगुलर स्पीड ऑफ मिनट हैंड? अगर ऐसा छोटा छोटा क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो फिर बहुत टाइम लगेगा मुझे सिलेबस कंप्लीट करने के लिए. व्हाट इज रेशियो ऑफ एंगुलर स्पीड ऑफ मिनट हैंड and that of second hand? Already I have given you list of time period of minute hand, second hand, Earth's rotation, Earth revolution. So this is 2 pi by time period of minute hand divided by 2 pi time period of second hand. Time period of second upon time period of minute. से थोड़ा खुद को भी स्ट्रगल करना है आप लोग को, अलग अलग जगह से सॉल्यूशन चेक करने के लिए. Time period of second hand we know it is 60 second and minute hand is how many? What is time period of minute hand? Time period of minute hand
360.
हाँ, ये नहीं मालूम है तो फिर आपने बराबर पूछा है. अगर किसको नहीं मालूम है ये सब तो. Time taken to complete one revolution by second hand is called time period of second hand. It is 1 minute 60 second. Minute hand 1 घंटे में एक चक्कर लगाता है तो 3600. That means 1 upon 60. See option. 1 upon 60. Done? 117. This is good sum. A particle is projected from the ground. Projected from the ground at an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal, and speed is 20 meter per second. Radius of curvature, radius इसको projectile बोलते हैं, which follows parabolic path. So radius of the curvature of path of projectile when its velocity makes angle 30 degree with horizontal. When its velocity is making 30 degree with horizontal. Once we have done same type of sum, hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
We want radius of curvature, correct?
Yes, sir.
अभी वो लोग बोल रहे find the radius of curvature of this path जहाँ पे velocity is making 30 degree with horizontal. Starting में velocity was making 60 degree with horizontal. So which part of the velocity is same throughout? Horizontal component ना?
Yes.
एक मिनट पहले समझा देता हूँ क्या है. Curve का if you want radius, so if I know velocity at that time, if I know acceleration at that point, so I have explained A is v square by r in circular motion. याद है आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो A ढूंढना है अपने को, V ढूंढना है, ये दोनों मिल गया तो ऑटोमेटिकली R मिल जाएगा.
हाँ, yes, sir.
हाँ, अभी लाइन से जाता हूँ. कम डिफिकल्ट है. एक मिनट. मम्मी, तो जरा कोई कवे को दे कुछ. So to get velocity, hint is velocity at projection makes 60 degree with horizontal, and this value is 20 meter per second. So velocity making 30 degree will be u cos 60 is equals to velocity at that into cos 30. Horizontal velocities are same. U is 20, cos 60 is half, V we have to calculate, cos 30 you know root 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Therefore V is 20 upon root 3. Okay? Hello? Follow?
Yes, sir.
Now acceleration acting at that point. ये तो downward है. G है ना? So this is circular path. G is acting downward. Velocity is this, but we want acceleration which is perpendicular. So ये G, this angle is 30. So this is 60. That means this is 30. So this will be G. Cos 30 is acceleration at that point, which is perpendicular to V. Because for circular motion, मस्त समय ये बहुत बार आया ऐसा JEE में ये. For circular motion, V and A are perpendicular. So here G sin theta, G sin 30 is, cos 30 is perpendicular. So I can say therefore A is G cos of 30. Now A is V square by R. A is G cos 30. V square by R is 20 upon root 3 का square, जगह नहीं है इधर यार, divide by R. चलो इधर तक लिखो, फिर आगे करता हूँ. One of the beautiful sum. Whenever on curved path you want to find radius, use A is V square by R वाला concept. next point. E is given as 10 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 equals to 400 upon 3 into 1 by r. तो एक जीरो दोनों साइड से कैंसिल कर देता हूं. So it will become 80 40 into 2 80 upon 3 root 3. That means 80 upon 3 into 1.732. So this is r equals to 80 upon 3 into 2 is 6, 3 7s are 21, carry, sorry, 3 3s are 9, 9, 9, 9, 3 7s are 21, carry 2, 3 and 2 5, after one digit decimal. So it is like 80 upon 5. 16 से थोड़ा कम है क्या? 16 से थोड़ा कम?
15.4.
Yes, this is the answer. Very, very good sum. Mark it very, very important in your book. 2-3 times you remember by solving concept बाहर होता है. After that 118, 119 and 120. आज इधर तक करने हैं मुझे.
Sir, no doubt.
No doubt? Nobody is having doubt?
No, sir.
Very good. अभी नया part. Take deep breath. 2 breath you take. इतना मस्त सम कर किया. थोड़ा बोर हो गया रहेगी. चलो अभी आप एकदम सिंपल. थियरी मतलब एकदम सिंपल होता है. Last class in theory. Any of you are able to remember what I taught you in theory?
So law of conservation and moment.
Law of conservation of momentum I taught.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Law of conservation of momentum. Yes, correct. तो अभी आपका थोड़ा फेवरेट क्या करूँ? थियरी करूँ तो थोड़ा एमसीक्यू टाइप ही करूँ, इसमें मजा आएगा. मतलब माइंड थोड़ा रिलीफ चाहिए अभी. थोड़ा इजी पार्ट कर दो. इजी पार्ट कर देता हूँ. Because it should happen थोड़ा टफ थोड़ा इजी. सब टफ टफ ना फिर ऊपर से जाता है. Collision. Part of Newton's second law. Collisions. In physics, there are two types of collision. One is called elastic, other is called inelastic. देखो collision का ऐसा मतलब नहीं कि physically touch करना ही चाहिए. When one body exerts force on another body, whether they touch or they do not touch. लेकिन एक बॉडी ने दूसरे को अगर फोर्स दिया, then they are said to be under collision. There are two types of collision. First, elastic collision. What is elastic? I am explaining. And second, inelastic collision. चलो अभी एक एक का नाम लेके पहले अटेंडेंस देखता हूँ कौन कौन प्रेजेंट है. Yes, Arya present.
Present, sir.
Okay, Pranjali,
Present, sir.
Isha,
Present, sir.
Neha,
Present, sir.
Tirtha,
Present, sir.
present. Good morning. Vaishnavi,
Present, sir.
Nandani,
Present, sir.
present. Avan,
Present, sir.
Athan,
Present, sir.
Vaibhav,
Present, sir.
present. Okay. Karan,
Present.
Anay,
Present, sir.
Swaraj,
Present, sir.
Mohit,
Present, sir.
Shitesh,
Present, sir.
present. Okay. Rajvardhan,
Present, sir.
Aryan Bagwe,
Present, sir.
Sandesh.
Present, sir.
So I think including you all and me, we all are mentally and physically present. What is collision? Fatafat bolo. When one body exerts force on another body, they are said to be under collision. That means they should touch or they should not touch.
Should touch.
क्या बात करते हो यार? Touch or not touch is not collision. Giving force is collision. Remember now. Okay, not necessary they should touch. Suppose एक हिंदी मूवी में दिखाते हैं, देखो दो गुंडे रहते हैं, आमने सामने खड़े रहते हैं, लेकिन ताकत नहीं रहता है, तो लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं, अरे दिखाओ क्या, दिखाओ क्या. तो एक्चुअली टच करते हैं क्या वो लोग एक दूसरे को? खाली धमकी देते हैं ना, अरे दिखाओ क्या, दिखाओ क्या. मतलब हाँ, वो उसको भी कोलिजन ही बोलते हैं. लेकिन सच में बजा दिया मतलब असली में दिखा दिया, वो भी कोलिजन है. So when one body exerts force on another body, then they are said to be under collision. Not necessarily they should physically touch each other. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many types of collision are there?
2, sir.
कौन सा दो? Elastic and?
Non-elastic.
Okay, चलो इतना लिखो. You can expect one sum on this topic. थोड़ा इजी टॉपिक है.
Done, sir.
Okay. See whether everybody has copied now. Shall I bring it back?
Copy, sir.
Copied. चलो अवन. अवन.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा मोमेंटम कंजर्व प्रूफ करने के लिए हम लोग बोला क्या, कौन सा कोलिशन है?
क्या sir?
जब we wrote state and prove law of conservation of momentum,
हाँ sir.
we said that when force is zero, momentum is conserved, है ना?
हाँ sir.
But we didn't said क्या वो बॉडी पे कौन से टाइप का कोलिशन है.
हाँ sir.
So कोई भी कोलिशन होएगा, मोमेंटम इज कंजर्व.
Okay, sir.
अब आप बोलेगे ऐसा कैसा, कैसा आपको समझा? फोर्स कांस्टेंट है. तो न्यूटन ने क्या बोला? आपने 10 न्यूटन का फोर्स किसको दिया, वो भी आपको इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट एक्सचेंज करता है ना ऑपर में.
हाँ sir.
तो नेट फोर्स जीरो ही होने वाला है कोलिशन. मतलब कोई भी कोलिशन होने दो, एक चीज कंजर्व्ड है, क्या है वो? मोमेंटम. क्लियर? करंट, बोथ करंट्स. अनय?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
So what is elastic collision? The collision in which momentum and kinetic energy both are conserved is called as elastic collision. Momentum along with that kinetic energy is also conserved. Conserve means constant. Now what is inelastic collision? The collision in which momentum is conserved but kinetic energy is not conserved is called as inelastic collision. Okay, have you followed two types of collision? क्या रहता है उसमें? Anybody who has not followed, please ask. Hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Meaning clear ना? Momentum, kinetic दोनों constant तो elastic, खाली momentum लेकिन kinetic नहीं तो inelastic. Arya, Isha, Neha, Pranjali, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, copy till this, copy. See, if you are studying regularly the way I am saying, you yourself don't know कि कितना अच्छा आप preparation कर रहे हैं. If completed, then please tell me. Huh?
Done.
अच्छा, ठीक. Others have also done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, ठीक है. एक मिनट रुको. Katan, how is your study going on properly ना? Katan? Katan, you are there? Katan? Katan? Out of sight. है. Mohit,
Yes, sir.
how many types of collision we have? How many types of collision are there? Two types.
There are two types.
Elastic and inelastic.
Yes.
What is meaning of elastic collision?
Elastic collision means in which momentum and the
Momentum and kinetic energy.
kinetic energy both are conserved,
Very good.
and inelastic is when the momentum is conserved,
But kinetic energy,
kinetic energy is not conserved.
not conserved means it will get changed.
Yes.
So, now based on this, they can ask you, show that in case of elastic collision. So that in case of elastic collision, relative velocity of approach equals to relative velocity of separation. Relative velocity of approach is equals to relative velocity of separation. Please write that in.
Hello, sir.
Uh-huh.
Sir, I'm having network issue.
No, don't worry. I'm recording the lecture. I will send.
You were asking me something.
I was asking
I
how's your
couldn't speak.
how's your studies going on?
Yes, sir. It's going good.
See, there can be confusion sometimes in mind and saturation. So whenever this happens, please discuss with me. I'm telling to all the
Yes,
students.
sir.
See, 2 years rigorous studies you are doing. Rigorous. When I say rigorous means I know you are doing rigorous studies. So chances are there you will get distracted. So whenever distraction happens, or you feel saturated or depressed, discuss with your nearest dearest. I will be your best nearest dearest. At least till 2 years. Then your choice will change. Relations will change. As per that, our nearness gets changed. So whenever you feel any type of this moment while these 2 years, you can call me. We will discuss must take them so that you can enjoy. Okay, right. So that in case of elastic collision, relative velocity of approach equal to relative velocity of separation. Can I clear that heading?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. सबसे पहला relative velocity of approach का meaning समझा देता हूँ. This is one body A traveling at 40 का speed. ये दूसरा body है 30 का speed से जा रहा है. तो A is approaching B or not?
Yes, sir.
With what speed?
30.
तो 10 का.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये भी तो 30 से आगे जा रहा है ना. तो रिलेटिव जब ये दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में रहेंगे तो डिफरेंस बोलना. अभी सपोज ये टकराया और इसका स्पीड आगे हो गया, ये 40 और ये 30 हो गया. तो व्हाट इज रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी ऑफ सेपरेशन? ये 10 से आगे जा रहा है ना.
हाँ सर.
मतलब ये 10 से पीछे जा रहा है ना.
हाँ सर.
तो रिलेटिव विल बी अगेन 40 minus 30 मतलब 10. हाँ, अभी चलो सब जरा देखते हैं, थियरी देखते हैं. बहुत इजी थियरी है. Starting now from beginning. Consider two bodies A consider two bodies A, B having mass m1 and m2 moving with initial velocity u1 u2 such that u1 is greater than u2. Then A will collide with B or not?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर होगा.
हाँ, क्योंकि एक ही लाइन में स्पीड पीछे वाले का ज्यादा है तो collision है. Let the two bodies collide with each other after time t second such that m1 moves with velocity v1 and m2 moves with velocity v. Now, whatever may be type of collision, we know momentum is always conserved. So first time I am writing like this: by law of conservation of momentum, m1 u1 plus m2 u2, this is initial momentum दोनों का, mass into velocity, mass into velocity is called initial momentum. Final mass into final velocity, mass into final velocity is called final momentum. So m1 u1 minus m1 v1 is equals to m2 v2 minus m2 u2. So I can take m1 common, u1 minus v1 is m2 common, v2 minus u2. Till this any doubt? Till this any doubt? Anybody has doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, just draw this
No,
two
sir.
diagram. Just draw this two diagram. Then I'm starting with consider. Only draw diagram. Karan Goyal.
Yes, sir.
This part you have followed now.
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो आपको क्या क्या समझना चाहिए. मेजरमेंट कुछ बोला तो समझना चाहिए, स्केलर्स वेक्टर समझना चाहिए, और अब जो सिखा रहा वो खाली काइनेमेटिक्स नहीं समझा तो आई डोंट गेट एनी प्रॉब्लम.
Okay.
Only draw diagram and nothing else. After drawing
Done, sir.
after drawing
Sir, in
diagram.
the second diagram,
Yes, beta.
do you have to mention V2 is greater than V1?
No. It is not to be mentioned because there are different conditions in which it can become smaller also.
Okay, sir.
Just think of direction, nothing else. First one I have to mention because नहीं तो कोलाइड ही नहीं होगा ना.
Yes, sir.
टकराने के बाद कैसा गया हमको क्या लेना है ना.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Right. Consider two bodies A, B having masses m1, m2, having masses m1, m2, moving with initial velocities, u1, u2 along same straight line. Such that u1 greater than let the two bodies collide after t second and move with velocities v1, v2 respectively. Then copy from screen by law of conservation of momentum.
Done, sir.
Everybody is done? I will clear the screen again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which collision we are talking about?
Elastic.
So apart from in momentum, what else is concerned? Kinetic energy. Yeah?
Kinetic.
Yes. So I can say since collision is elastic, therefore kinetic energy is also conserved. Therefore, half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square is half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square. Half half cancel. So m1 u1 square minus m1 v1 square is m2 v2 square minus m2 u2 square. m1 common, u1 square minus v1 square is m2 v2 square minus u2 square. This means m1 u1 minus v1 u1 plus v1 equals to m2 v2 minus u2 into v2 plus u2, equation 2. Copy till this. Since collision is elastic, therefore kinetic energy is also conserved. So half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square equals to half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square.
Done, sir.
Everybody is done, no? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Dividing equation 2 by 1. We get equation 2 is m1 u1 minus v1 u1 plus v1 equals to m2 u2 minus v2 u2 plus v2 divided by m1 u1 minus v1 divided by m2 u2 minus v2. So this I can cancel from here. So u1 plus v1 is u2 plus v2. That means u1 minus u2 is v2 minus v2. This is nothing but relative velocity of approach equals to relative velocity of spelling name जगह separation. Relative मतलब एक का comparison. Complete till end. Dividing equation 2 by 1 we get.
Done, sir.
पूरा clear करें?
No, just a second.
Yes.
आराम से. Relative velocity of approach equals to relative velocity of separation.
Done, sir.
That's all for today. Please keep yourself stick to that planner because